Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to talk about some MCQ questions in series resonance circuit. Already we have discussed some MCQ in basic electrical engineering subject. Here also again I am going to discuss. Okay. So this is the question number 1. The circuit is said to be in resonance if the current is in phase, out of phase, this applied voltage. So see here, in case of RNC circuit, if you take I as a reference, VR will be here, VL and VC here, and VL will be here. And these two are out of phase. Only one current है in case of series circuit. So we will take current. If parallel circuit होता तो we will take V as a reference. So you can say this voltage and current are in the same phase. These two will be cancelled to each other. So the circuit is said to be in resonance if the current is in phase with the applied voltage, right? In series resonance circuit, the series resonance occurs when XL equal to XC. Yes, XL equal to XC. Part C is correct. Okay. So I'm rubbing it. Next, question number 3. As XL equal to XC in series resonance circuit, the impedance is purely resistive. We know Z equal to what? Z equal to what? R plus J XL minus J XC. If you take J common, so R plus J XL minus XC. And under the resonance condition XL equal to XC, these two are equal, so they will cancel to each other. So Z equal to what? R. So purely resistive. C. Third the C answer is correct, right? Fourth, at resonance frequency, the voltage across capacitor greater than the voltage across inductor. Voltage across capacitor and voltage across capacitor. We know VL equal to VC होता है. IXL equal to IXC. I will be cancelled. XL equal to XC. So this condition आपको achieve करना है तो VL should be equal to VC. Equal to, at resonance frequency the voltage across capacitor is equal to the voltage across inductor. D answer is correct. Okay, question number 5. Capacitor and inductor are in phase, yes, out of phase by angle of 180 degree. Right now, because we know if we draw the, if you take current as a reference, VR will be here. If you take current as a reference, voltage will lead. VL will be here and VC will be here. So in the series RLC circuit, the voltage across capacitor and voltage across inductor, these two voltages, this and this, will be out of phase by angle of 180 degree. B answer is correct. Clear? Question number 6. The voltage across the LC combination in series RLC circuit is, the voltage across LC combination in the series RLC circuit is 0. LC combination, वोल्टेज अक्रॉस L और C के अगर कॉम्बिनेशन में निकाल लेंगे तो ये प्लस 180 आएगा, तो या कुछ आएगा तो ये, तो वोल्टेज अक्रॉस क्या होगा? 0 होगा. दिस टू आर आउट ऑफ फेज बाय एंगल ऑफ, दिस टू आर आउट ऑफ फेज बाय एंगल ऑफ 180 डिग्री. सो वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द कॉम्बिनेशन विल बी व्हाट? 0, राइट? Okay, question number, sorry, question number 7. The expression of resonant frequency in the series resonant circuit 1 upon 2 pi, 1 upon 2 pi root, yes, 1 upon 2 pi root LC. D answer is correct. A certain series resonant circuit has a bandwidth of 2 kilohertz. Bandwidth F2 minus F1. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Bandwidth. कितना है 2 किलो हर्ट्ज. If the existing coil is replaced with one having higher value of quality factor, the bandwidth. So you know in case of series circuit bandwidth equal to क्या होता है, sorry, in case of series circuit Q equal to, you know Q equal to what, resonant frequency FR upon bandwidth. Okay, okay. Question number 8. So a certain series resonant circuit has a bandwidth of 2 kilohertz. Okay. If the existing coil is replaced with one having the higher value of Q. Okay. So what is the bandwidth? Bandwidth equal to what? Bandwidth equal to FR, resonant frequency, upon Q. So if you replace the coil with a higher value of Q, Q increases. So obviously bandwidth क्या होगा? Decrease होगी. तो answer C is correct. Right ना? Bandwidth equal to Q equal to क्या होता है? Resonant frequency upon bandwidth. या bandwidth equal to क्या होगा? यहाँ आ जाएगा तो Q यहाँ आएगा. Okay? So this will increase, so this will decrease. So C answer is correct. Question number 9. Okay. In a series resonant circuit with an increase in L, we know resonant frequency. So FR equal to क्या होता है? FR equal to 1 upon 2 pi root L C. Right now, in series resonant circuit, if you with an increase in L, if you increase the L, if you increase the value of L, so obviously the resonant frequency will decrease. 9 का A, right ना? Correct. Bandwidth will decrease. Bandwidth क्या होता है? F2 minus F1 equal to क्या होता है? R upon 2 pi L. As you increase the L, this bandwidth will decrease. That is also correct. Q will increase. Q equal to क्या होता है? 1 upon R root L by C. As you increase the L, Q will increase. That is also correct. So all of above. That is the correct answer. D. D is correct answer, right? So D is a correct answer. So please check all these factors, right? All the above लिखा है तो D is correct, right? Okay. Higher the Q of the series circuit. Okay. Question number 10. Higher the Q of the series circuit. Narrow its Q अगर ज्यादा है, so bandwidth क्या बताया था आपको? Bandwidth अभी बताया था आपको. Bandwidth, पास बैंड बोलते इसको. Bandwidth इक्वल, bandwidth इक्वल टू बताया था, क्या बताया था आपको? Bandwidth इक्वल टू, yes, bandwidth Q equal to, sorry, Q equal to what? Resonant frequency FR upon bandwidth. Okay, so higher the Q, so free bandwidth equal to FR upon Q, right ना? So higher the Q increase करोगे तो bandwidth क्या होगा? कम होगा. ओके, सो बैंडविड्थ कम होगा तो क्या होगा? डी का आंसर. नैरो और इट्स पास बैंड कम हो जाएगा ना, बैंडविड्थ, राइट? पास बैंड मतलब बैंडविड्थ कम हो जाएगी. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 का बी. सॉरी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. यस, A resonance curve for a series circuit is plot of frequency versus resonance curve is a plot frequency versus current. You know, if you draw the frequency versus current, it is like this. This is the resonance condition Fr. This is the maximum current I0. क्लियर. सो दिस इज द रेजोनेंट. इसमें हमको और इसके अगर I0/2 करेंगे, I0/2 डिवाइड बाई √2, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज F1 लोअर हाफ पावर फ्रीक्वेंसी, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज F2 अपर हाफ पावर फ्रीक्वेंसी, एंड दिस गैप होता है, इसको बोलते हैं बैंडविड्थ. कितना होता है? दिस इज दिस वैल्यू कितनी है? दिस प्लस R बाई 2πL, R बाई 4πL, R बाई माइनस करने का है, और ये होता है डिफरेंस R अपॉन 2πL, दिस डिफरेंस. एनीवे, so A is correct. Selectivity of a different resonance circuit are compared in terms of their selectivity. Selectivity मतलब क्या होता है? Selectivity इक्वल टू Q होता है, इक्वल टू व्हाट? रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी अपॉन बैंडविड्थ. Selectivity means it is equal to Q, equal to Fr upon bandwidth. So selectivity of different resonance circuit are compared in terms of their D, bandwidth. Okay, so selectivity का मतलब है bandwidth compare करना कितना है, right? So that is the question number 12 का D. Okay. Question number 13. A high Q quality. High Q means what? If quality factor is high, so Q equal to क्या होता है? 1 upon R root L by C. If this is higher means R is lower, और R कम है तो क्या होगा? Power loss will be more or less? Less, low losses. Because power loss क्या होता है? I square R. So अगर R कम है तो power loss will be less. Okay, so low losses are there, right? Question number 13. 14. When quality factor of a current circuit is high, then Q, quality factor of the circuit is high, then Q equal to क्या होगा? 1 upon R root L by C. Okay, so quality factor of the circuit is high, power factor of the circuit is high. No, it is 1, always 1. No, bandwidth is larger. Quality factor Q equal to क्या बताया था आपको? Q equal to what? Series circuit में Q equal to what? That is selectivity. Equal to what? Fr upon bandwidth. If Q factor is more, means bandwidth is low. A larger. This is also not correct. This is also not correct. None of the above. No. Impedance of the circuit is high. Quality factor of the circuit is high means impedance of the circuit is high. Okay. Okay. So B is correct. Higher the Q of a series circuit, narrower its pass band. Okay. Narrower its pass band. 15 का बैंडविड्थ भी हायर होगा. रेजोनेंस कर्व कम होगा. ओके, सो दिस डी इज करेक्ट, ऑल ऑफ अबव. ओके, 15 का डी. Question number 16. Magnitude of current at resonance in RLC circuit depends on magnitude of current depends on amount magnitude of current at resonance. क्या होता है at resonance? I equal to what? I equal to V by Z and Z equal to क्या होता है? R. Okay, so it depends on what R. Question number 16. A answer is correct, right? Question number 17. Yes. The quality factor of RLC circuit will increase if quality factor equal to क्या होता है 1 by R root L by C. Quality factor of RLC circuit will increase if resistance increase. this पर करोगे तो कम होगा नहीं, decrease. B is correct. Question number 17 का B is correct. अब R अगर कम करेंगे तो quality factor will increase, right? A series RLC circuit draws a current at leading power factor. We know leading power factor, इसका मतलब C is more than resonant frequency, less than the resonant frequency. B is correct. 18. आपको अगर आपको प्लॉट याद हो तो दिस इज रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी, ये तो R कांस्टेंट रहता है, R विल नॉट बी चेंज. XL इक्वल टू व्हाट? XL इक्वल टू होता है 2 पाई FL और XC होता है ऐसा, XC होता है ऐसा, बिकॉज वी आर राइटिंग माइनस GXC. So at lower frequency, x equal to क्या होता है? x equal to what? 1 upon 2 pi fc. At lower frequency, frequency कम है तो xc will be more, so xc will be more और xl will be 0. जैसे जैसे फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ेगा xc will कम होगा और xl बढ़ता जाएगा. At resonance कंडीशन में दोनों इक्वल हो जाएंगे. So at lower side, लीडिंग पावर फैक्टर मतलब आरसी सर्किट है, लीडिंग पावर फैक्टर का मतलब है आरसी. ये कब आएगा? यहाँ XC ज्यादा है ना, RC मतलब XC शुड बी मोर देन XL, तो लोअर साइड में. सो क्लियर कब आएगा? लेस देन द रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी में लीडिंग पावर फैक्टर मिलेगा. मोर देन द रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या मिलेगा? RL सर्किट है. क्लियर ना? सो दिस इज करेक्ट. अगर आपको लीडिंग पावर फैक्टर चाहिए तो यहाँ पर मिलेगा लोअर फ्रीक्वेंसी पे. हायर फ्रीक्वेंसी पे जाएंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? लैगिंग पावर फैक्टर, RL सर्किट हो जाएगा. बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. RLC सर्किट रेजोनेंस इन केस ऑफ एट रेजोनेंस. रेजोनेंस क्या होता है? वी नो FR रेजोनेंट कंडीशन क्या होता है? 1 अपॉन 2 पाई रूट LC. सो 2 पाई FR इक्वल टू 1 बाई रूट LC. क्लियर ना? सो ये क्या बोलते हैं इसको? ओमेगा स्क्वायर, सॉरी ओमेगा इक्वल टू 1 बाई रूट LC. इसको स्क्वायर करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? ओमेगा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1 बाई LC. सो ओमेगा स्क्वायर LC इक्वल टू 1 ही आएगा. ओमेगा स्क्वायर LC. सी कंडीशन इज सेटिस्फाइड. सी कंडीशन ओमेगा स्क्वायर LC, राइट? At half power frequency, what is the power factor? Lagging or leading? At half power, at its half power frequencies. ये नहीं लिखा कि लोअर हाफ है कि अपर हाफ. पावर फैक्टर ऑफ सीरीज RLC सर्किट एट इट्स हाफ पावर पॉइंट्स. सो लोअर साइड में और लोअर साइड में लीडिंग होगा, अपर साइड में लैगिंग होगा, तो लैगिंग एंड लीडिंग बोथ. डी इज करेक्ट. ओके, question number 21. In a series RLC circuit at a resonance, the magnitude of voltage develops across the capacitor. In In series RLC circuit at resonance, the magnitude of voltage develops across the capacitor is always zero? No. Can never be greater than the input voltage? No. Can be greater than the input voltage, however, it is 90° out of phase with the input voltage. Yes, this C is correct. C is correct. Clear? So it can be greater than the input voltage, however it is 90° out of phase with the input voltage. Okay, so this is correct. C is correct. (22) In a series RLC circuit, voltage across inductance will be maximum. In series RLC circuit, voltage across inductance will be maximum at resonance frequency? No. Just before or just after? Just before and just after resonance frequency. Yes. Question number 22. So just after. क्लियर? देखो ये आपकी रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी है FR, इसके पहले क्लियर ये होगा RC सर्किट होगा और ये जस्ट बाद में क्या होगा RL सर्किट. तो जस्ट आफ्टर रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी, so voltage across inductance will be maximum just after. Okay, so that is the question. Answer is B. जस्ट बिफोर RC सर्किट होता है पहले, बाद में क्या होता है RL. In a RLC series circuit has F1 and F2 as the resonant frequency. The selectivity of the circuit is given by. Selectivity फार्मूला क्या है? Selectivity का फार्मूला क्या है? Selectivity और क्वालिटी फैक्टर दोनों का फार्मूला क्या है? Selectivity और क्वालिटी फैक्टर इक्वल टू FR resonant frequency upon F2 minus F1 bandwidth. Okay, that is the formula we have. So A, no. Yes, C is correct answer. C. Question number 23 का C, right? (24) In a series RLC circuit, resonance circuit, if inductance of the circuit is made double and capacitance is made half, which of the following will be affected? 24. Selectivity. Resonant frequency क्या होता है? FR equal to FR equal to what? FR equal to what? FR equal to what? 1 upon 2 pi root L by C. Okay, so resonant frequency इसको आपने डबल कर दिया, इसको हाफ कर दिया, so it will not be affected. Selectivity क्या होती है? S equal to what? Selectivity is what? Selectivity equal to Q. Q equal to क्या होता है? 1 upon R root L by C. Selectivity equal to Q equal to what? This is double and this is half. Yes. So ये बढ़ा रहा है, ये कम हो रहा है, तो ये तो इफेक्ट होगा, राइट ना? ओके, सो करंट एट रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी इक्वल टू क्या होता है? I इक्वल टू V by R. It will not be affected. Impedance Z इक्वल टू R will not be affected. So यहाँ तो ये दोनों इफेक्ट हो रहे हैं क्या? सिलेक्टिविटी तो होने वाली है. P is correct because selectivity equal to Q equal to 1 upon R. Okay, and root L by C, L बढ़ेगा और डिनोमिनेटर कम हो रहा तो डबल इंक्रीज होगा, so this will increase, but this will also be affected. So both are changing actually, but I don't know. Okay, but these two will not be affected. Okay, question number 25. Question number 25. Sorry. If the value of resonant frequency is 50 kilohertz, okay, FR is given 50 kilohertz with a bandwidth F2 minus F1 is given 1. What would be the value of Q? Q equal to what? Quality factor equal to what? FR upon bandwidth. So 50 kilohertz upon 1 kilohertz equal to 50. So answer is B. Question number 25. B answer is correct. Okay. So these are the answers. In this way we can solve it, right? So these are the more than sufficient. I have taken 25 questions. Already I have discussed in basic electrical engineering also. Okay. So I am stopping here only. Okay. Thank you. These are the answers. Answers are given. You can check it. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.